The back and hamstring flexibility test is looking at your ability to touch your toes without bending your knees. Here you're going to be standing upright and you're going to reach all the way down as far as you can to touch your toes. If you can do that, you've passed the test. If you come up short, you haven't passed the test. If you bend your knees and you're able to touch your toes, you have not passed the test as well. Here are a few exercises that you can utilize to help improve on passing the test for hamstring and low back flexibility. One of the exercises to improve on low back flexibility and hamstring flexibility is the cat-cow. So you're gonna drop down to hands and knees position here, wrists underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, and you're gonna go into an arched position here, rounding out the back, and then you're gonna sink down, head up, sinking through the low back. So arch up, head tucked, sink down, head up. You're gonna repeat that 10 times, and you can do multiple sets. Another exercise that can improve your low back and hamstring flexibility is the downward dog. So we're gonna drop into a tall plank position here. You're going to drop back into that downward dog. Try and drop your head through, and then back to that plank position. So you're gonna drop down, feeling that stretch in the hamstrings, low back, and then here. If you can walk yourself up a little bit more to get more of a stretch there, trying to get the heels down to the ground. Same thing, you can repeat that about 10 reps and do multiple sets. Low back flexibility is important when it comes to basketball. You want to make sure that you're able to move certain ways in regards to the hips and the low back, especially with being able to do jumping activities, staying in a defensive stance, different motions. So if you're not able to bend or hinge at the waist, these are going to be limitations that you'll end up seeing on the court. So make sure that you're utilizing these exercises to improve so you can help pass your test.